Welcome to this official SellerMagnet setup tutorial. Today we will go more in-depth into the review request feature. To begin, once you're logged into SellerMagnet, navigate to the left-hand menu. Under the Tools section, select Review Request. This will redirect you to the main overview page. At the top left, you will see the Stats widget. Here, you can track your performance at a glance, including the number of reviews sent out today, this year, over the last 30 days, as well as your lifetime total. Directly next to it is the latest Seller Reviews widget. Please note that this displays data based on the default region selected in your connection settings, in this example, Amazon Germany. It is important to remember that this overview displays seller reviews, not product reviews. Below the star rating, you can see your total review count. By clicking View Details, you open a pop-up window with a comprehensive breakdown. Here, you can analyze your feedback summary and ratings over specific time frames, such as the last 30, 90, or 365 days, as well as your lifetime score. You can also read recent written feedback from customers directly in this view. To the right of the main dashboard, you also have a quick list of the absolute latest reviews you've received. Scrolling down, you will find the Review Requests table. This list displays all orders that are potentially eligible for a review request. Please remember that eligibility relies on specific criteria, typically requiring the order to be delivered between 5 and 30 days ago. You have several options for managing these requests manually. First, you can manually select a specific order and click the Request Review button. The system will attempt to send the request. If you see a message saying "No action available," it means the order does not yet meet the necessary criteria, such as the required time passed since delivery. You also have the option to deactivate specific orders. If you want to ensure a review is never requested for a certain order, perhaps due to a customer service issue, simply toggle the switch to Exclude. For higher efficiency, you can use the checkboxes on the left to select multiple orders at once and click the Bulk Review Request button to process them in a batch. However, if you want a fully autonomous experience without any manual work, we recommend using the Automation feature. Click on the Automatic Review Request button to open the configuration menu. Here, you will see your active connections. In the Daily Send Time column, you can schedule exactly when requests should be sent out. You can select a specific hour or use the default time of 2 p.m. The system will display the conversion to your local time zone so you know exactly when emails are going out. Once you've selected a time, click Save and ensure the Enable Scheduling toggle is switched on. Next, look at the Refunded Orders tab. You have the option to automatically exclude refunded orders. We highly recommend enabling this to prevent asking for reviews from customers who might have returned their products. Next to that is the Exclude Specific Products option. If you have certain items you do not want to generate reviews for, you can search for them here and add them to the exclusion list. Finally, the most important step, ensure the Automation toggle on the far right is enabled. Once this is active, the review requester will check your orders every single day. It will automatically send requests for all orders that meet your criteria, excluding the refunds and products you specified. To keep track of this activity, you can check the notification bell at the top right. You'll receive daily updates showing exactly how many reviews were sent out automatically. You'll also receive notifications here whenever a new seller review comes in. With this setup complete, SellerMagnet handles the work in the background. This allows you to enjoy increased reviews and improved listing positions in search results without manual intervention. If you have further questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact our support team. You can access our written guides for more details or schedule a call directly through the Help Center in the menu. Thank you for watching.